Belle and the Book of Lost Stories. Once upon a time, in a grand castle hidden deep within a magical forest, there lived a kind and book-loving young woman named Belle. Belle had come to the castle to live with the Beast, a cursed prince who had been transformed into a monstrous creature by a wicked enchantress. Despite their rocky start, Belle and the Beast had grown to care for each other deeply, and Belle had even discovered a hidden passion for exploring the Beast's vast library. As the winter solstice approached, Belle eagerly prepared for the holiday book exchange that the enchanted objects in the castle had organized. The library was decorated with twinkling fairy lights, and the scent of freshly baked cookies filled the air. Belle smiled as she stacked the books she planned to exchange, feeling a warm sense of joy at the thought of sharing her love of stories with her newfound friends. However, as Belle reached for a dusty old tome on the highest shelf, she noticed something unusual. One book seemed to be glowing with a faint, ethereal light. Curiosity piqued, Belle carefully retrieved the mysterious book and opened its cover, only to find that the pages were completely blank. Confused, Belle turned to the enchanted objects for guidance. Lumiere, the charming candelabra, warned her of an old tale that spoke of the Book of Lost Stories, a malevolent book that had the power to trap forgotten tales forever. Suddenly, books began vanishing from the shelves in flashes of magical light, leaving empty spaces where once cherished stories had resided. Determined to save the lost books and restore the library to its former glory, Belle set out on a quest to unravel the mystery of the Book of Lost Stories. With the help of her loyal friends, the teacup Chip, the clock Cogsworth, and the feather duster Plumette, Belle searched every nook and cranny of the library for clues. Finally, after hours of searching, Belle stumbled upon a hidden rhyme written on the back of an ancient parchment. As she read the words aloud, a shimmering light enveloped the room, and the pages of the Book of Lost Stories began to fill with colors and patterns, each page coming to life with the magic of forgotten tales. With a final line, "Stories live when hearts believe," Belle unlocked the book's magic and freed the lost stories, watching in awe as the once blank pages transformed into vibrant illustrations and enchanting words. The restored books glowed with renewed magic, their spines shimmering in the firelight. Belle smiled, her heart brimming with joy, as she shared the recaptured tales with her friends by the crackling fire. The enchanted objects clapped and cheered, grateful for Belle's bravery and determination in saving their beloved library. As the snow fell softly outside the castle walls, Belle knew that the spirit of the holiday season truly lived on in the magic of storytelling and the power of belief. And so, as the night grew late and the stars twinkled overhead, Belle and her friends curled up by the fire, lost in the enchanting world of stories old and new, their hearts full of wonder and delight. For in the castle hidden deep within the magical forest, the power of stories lived on forevermore.
Subscribe now and step into a new story where fairy tales come with a twist.